Okay, so I removed first this part here. There was here. That's for the roof of the convertible controls. This was here, and then I removed this console. There's the 2 screws here. There's 4 screws so far. And I removed the cable that was behind here. And these 2 cables, one here, they're connected to the console that I just moved it aside. Now to install this cable here from the video in motion, most likely I have to remove this part. That's the radio, the navigation system, and probably remove this bracket to get this out so I can install the cable behind it. That's how I did on my other cars, the BMW and the Audi. And I have the manual that I saw it upstairs and I forgot to print, but I'll take a look at it. It's just phase 1.